Well, hi there, welcome back. Dan again from CleanGuru. So you send out, you email out, you deliver a lot of bid proposals. And just something to think about. You know, a lot of proposals and bids are sent out by email, let's say. And not as many are delivered in person as years ago. And just something to think about. If you don't get a chance to insert your personality and your philosophy and your passion about your cleaning business into the equation of who's going to get hired to clean that office building, then how is it going to happen? Now, it is true that if we can present in our proposal not only effective, competitive, profitable pricing, but also training and systems and supervision and all the things that really make a case from a process or procedural standpoint that we're a very good cleaning company to hire, that's true. But whatever makes the case for, as you know, the important influence that you have in terms of your character and your principles and your passion for people and cleaning in your work, you need that opportunity. And if you miss the chance to do it, it is a real miss. It's something that could have been there to help tilt the scales in your favor. So I am still convinced anytime you get a chance to stop out, visit, and talk with the person that may be deciding the issue, or at least they may be taking it to the other decision makers too, you want a chance to have them get to know you and get to know what you believe in, especially regarding your cleaning business. It can make a big difference as far as who gets hired. You don't want it come down to be just a commodity as far as price, here's all the same specs. Introduce yourself into the equation, and a very good way to do that is at the time of the proposal, get a chance to get out there. Even if it's emailed, stop out there just to follow up and make a few comments and shake a few hands and get to know them. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.